this video, we're going to show how you can easily add or remove rows from the table. So let's say that, for instance, we want to remove these 3 rows. We can select them and we have an option to delete those rows. After we confirm, we get those rows deleted in the database, and also immediately the impact is visible inside of our Power BI web. On the other hand, if we wish to add new segment or add new rows to the table, we can use this feature. We can add, for instance, a new buying group, toys, category new, let's do it all new, and then we can add 1 row, or we can add multiple rows in the same step. So let's say we want to add category new and category new 2, and by this way we can add as many rows as we want to a table. And after we are satisfied, we can click on confirm, and then we also have to wait for a couple of seconds so that the changes are saved in the database and pushed back to the web of the Power BI. So let's wait for a couple of seconds. Okay, and as we can see, we receive a new buying group, and we also receive a new description in the package, which is called new. So if we go to our toys, we will see those 3 rows added. And also if we change any figure in that rows, those changes are automatically visible in the data when we submit change. So this is how you can easily manipulate with the rows from within the Power BI using the Power BI Writeback Planner custom visual.